Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best urgent care leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, we're going to select small businesses, and we are going to the state of Oregon today. We're going to find all the urgent care homes in Oregon. My bad. We're going to hit next to lock that in, and we are going to look up urgent care. Our Coldlytics 2.0 sanity check gives us some examples of businesses: Portland Urgent Care, AFC Urgent Care. Looks like what we want, so I'm going to add this term. Next, I'm going to select owners and founders and directors and executives for our key decision makers. We are only looking for one contact per company, but we select both of these metrics because the owner could have a C-suite title, and this will cover for that case. So next, we're gonna filter today. The first thing I'm gonna do, especially for any care home, old folks care home, urgent care home, is Google review. I want to know that this place is taking well care of my, family. I want to work with a business I believe in, right? Even if it's just a marketing service. So 3 and a 5 is a good indicator that these people are respected and well reviewed by their um, clients and customers, and that just means that they'll probably be easier to work with than someone who's outside of this range. So that's why we set the review score. Next is I want to know the SEO ranking of this place, or I want to filter the SEO ranking of this place. So I'm going to go to Google Maps search position. I don't want lower than a 6, and I don't want higher than a 15. Basically, slots 1 to 5 are going to be so competitive. They're already going to have, digital marketing agencies working with them to get to that point of, being in the top 5 of their demographic in their industry. If you do get a chance to work with them, whether you're a marketing agent or, you're selling some other service to them, they're going to be typically a lot fussier, as they're the leaders of their industries in this demographic, and as they should be, honestly. They'll be fussier to work with, and it'll just be a more stressful experience for you trying to sell your services to them. So 6 to 15, still great companies, but you could end up working with a company who's ranked 8th in their industry and their demographic. um and you could work with them as a digital marketer and bring their SEO up to 4, and then you have a client for life. So that's why I suggest working with companies between 6 and 15. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. I'm going to go to deliver, and I'm just going to select my marketing metrics, or I'm going to select all the metrics, but I'm going to point out the marketing metrics. Google review count, score, very important. GMB profile, is the Google business claimed? We're going to ignore direct dial, as you are getting a direct email, and I just feel like it's more, when you're making a sale, it's more appropriate. You get a number if you're asking for a favor. Company Facebook profile, Instagram profile, LinkedIn profile, TikTok profile, Twitter profile. Probably not going to be super important metrics for this industry, but there is a case where an urgent care home is spending a lot of their marketing budget on social media, and it's just not hitting the same way as SEO would, and that's like a prime opportunity for you to come in and say, hey, you know why don't we just your social media is great, why don't we just allocate a bit more of this budget to leveling up your SEO. And that would be almost a guaranteed sale, in my opinion. We have revenue, headcount, data established. I love these filters. So just filtering down these 100 good contacts to 20 great ones that you really want to reach out to, really want to personalize the emails and do research on. Plus, you have all these metrics here, so the research is pretty easy. We want to know their ad pixels. It just creates good it just shows that these people care, or at least know a bit about marketing. Google Analytics, technologies, e-commerce, WordPress, page speed. This is just more insightful metrics. If you're a WordPress developer and you specialize in making WordPress websites on top of your SEO services and other marketing services, you're gonna want to look out for WordPress. Same as if you specialize in Shopify, this e-commerce metric could be good for you. And then we just have our SEO ones: search term, search location, search position. And we're gonna hit next to lock that in, finish this off. Make sure to give it a title, set your contacts required. And I would like to save a draft just in case I restart, or not restart, just in case I want to cancel a task to change something. I'm not starting from scratch. As you see, my task completely the same loaded up here. I'm just gonna launch this. So as you can see, it's allocating, which means it's in our research team's hands, and they'll have your lead sheet back to you within 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best urgent care homes using Coldlytics. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.